conoce más del Instituto Carlos Slim de la Salud.
In terms of breast cancer genomes, the previously known mutations included mutations in the TP53, PIK3CA, and AKT1 genes. In terms of copy number, well-known focal amplifications included the ERB2, cyclin D1, MYC, and FGFR1 genes. In terms of copy number, there were a number of recurrent chromosome arm level gains and losses. And finally, in terms of translocations, there were none before the Banerjee et al. Study, and you saw the AKT3 translocation that we have just reported as part of our collaboration. And infections, there were none known prior to our study or today. If we look at chromosome arm level alterations in breast cancers, and I'll be coming back to this again a little bit later, you can see here that red here represents copy number gains, blue is copy number losses, and white is relatively neutral. You can see the different cancers, these are chromosomes ordered in this dimension, samples ordered in this dimension. You can see that different cancer types have different patterns of chromosome arm level alterations. And breast cancer in particular is characterized by gain of chromosome arm 1q, loss of chromosome arm 8b, and gain of chromosome arm 8q. I'll come back to the patterns of chromosome arm level alterations later in the presentation. I also want to just speak briefly about the power of cancer genome sequencing technology, which Dr. Banerjee has also alluded to in his presentation. First, why sequence? The technology keeps getting better and cheaper. So if we look at the cost of a whole genome sequence, in 2001, when the first human genome sequence was completed, a second human genome sequence was estimated to cost around $100 million US. As of July of 2011, the cost was estimated to be approximately $10,000 US. A dramatic improvement, faster even than the rate of Moore's Law, which has been the rate of improvement in semiconductor technology. And just shown here are data from one of these technologies. This is the Illumina GA2 sequencer. I understand that there are now two of these that have just arrived at Imahen. These are different scales. It's simultaneous four-color detection of all four nucleotides. And then this is a flow cell for the Illumina sequencer. And the penny is shown here for scale. It's not yet the cost of a whole genome sequence, but if you simply follow this trend far enough, maybe it will be.